Dear students of UP Board Class 10th English Literature, today our topic is A Letter to God, that is written by G.L. Fewens. In this lecture 1 English medium, we will go through this chapter. Before we go through this chapter, you take some information about this chapter. This lesson is a story of a poor farmer named Lencho. Lencho was very hardworking and a firm believer in God. Firm believer of God. One year his harvest was totally destroyed and no one was there to help him. Then he got sad and he wrote a letter to God. And it is very unusual to think that a person writes a letter to God. That letter was received by the employees of post office and they tried to give him answer. And now you see what happens. Let's begin in the first part or first paragraph of this chapter. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill, means there was only one house in the hilly area, and that was the house of Lencho. Sat on the crest of a low hill. Sat means was situated on the crest. Crest means on the peak of a low hill. From this height one could see the river. It means the river was visible from the side of Lencho's house. And the field of ripe corn. It means the field of Lencho in which ripe corn was growing, dotted with flowers, and there were flowers on the crop that always promised a good harvest. Means the flowers that is the symbol of good harvest could be seen from there. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower, and the earth needed only light rain. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, now Lencho was a person who was so keen and interested in the work of a field, in the work of harvesting and growing his crop, knows everything about the need of his crop. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately means who knew everything about his farming, did nothing from morning, had done nothing else but seen the sky, means he did nothing but kept on watching the sky towards the northeast. It means in the direction of northeast he continued observing the sky, means he was waiting for the clouds. Now we are really going to get some water, woman. At this time Lencho spoke to his wife that they are going to receive some rain. The woman who was preparing supper means the food of the evening, replied, yes, God willing. The wife of Lencho replied, yes, if God wishes, they will definitely get raining by the evening. The older boys were working in the field, means the children of Lencho, who were boys, were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house, and little ones were playing in the house until the woman called them for supper. Means the children continued playing till they were called by their mother to go there and take dinner. It was during the meal, means it was the time when they were taking their meal, they were eating their food, just as Lencho had predicted. Predicted means foretold or forecast, means predicted means as Lencho told about the future that was going to happen there. Big drops of rain began to fall, means big drops of raining started. In the northeast, huge mountains of cloud could be seen approaching, as it was the expectation of Lan Chu. Huge clouds, dark clouds began to approach. There, the air was fresh and sweet. As you know, when there is to rain, you feel a pleasant air in the atmosphere. So was there at that time. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Then Lan Chu, without any reason, only just to feel the pleasure of the raindrops on his back, went out of the house to the fields. And when he returned, he exclaimed, and after feeling the raindrops on his back, when he returned, he exclaimed, means he told his family, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. Means Lan Chu thinks the drops that were coming down to the earth were not the raindrops, but they were the new coins that were raining from the sky. The big drops are 10-cent pieces, means you can say the coin of 10-cent paise were the big drops, and the little ones are 5, and you can say the little drops were the coins of 5 paise. It means there were not the raining in form of drops, but in raining the drops were taken as a paise, as coins by Lan Chu. Students, you will go through the next part in the next video. Thanks.